Every bird commonly have a toothless beaked jaw, feathers on it, and a female bird lay hard-shell eggs for reproduction. Most common characteristic of a bird is every bird have four-chambered heart and a strong but lightweight skeleton. Hello and welcome to another episode. In this video we will share some interesting information with you about the world's fastest bird. So let's start with an interesting fact that world's fastest bird, Peregrine Falcon, has a highest speed of 390 km per hour, which makes it the world's fastest animal. It can see its prey from 3 km easily, and then it dive upon it with a terrific speed of 242 miles per hour. A female falcon has a weight of 0.7 to 1.5 kg, and a male falcon has a weight from 0.3 to 1 kg. This bird of prey first fly to a great height where they spot their prey easily and then dive upon its prey with insane speed of 242 miles per hour, and does not leave any chance for their prey unless fortune of the prey favors in it to save his life. The biggest falcon species is Gyrfalcon. Peregrine falcon does not live or nest in trees. These mostly live in high altitude mountains from where they can spot their prey easily. The average age of a falcon is from 12 to 15 years. But there is an astonishing fact that mortality rate for young falcon is 60%. Which means that 6 out of every 10 falcon will die in its first year of life. I hope you like our video and we will back with another video.